Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for GM's 2014 to 2019 pickup trucks.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up or remove your bed. Begin by relieving the welds between the spare tire plate and factory rear frame crossmember. Then, cut out the rear frame crossmember and any obstructions in the work area. You can cut your crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide your crossmember into place between your frame rails. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your crossmember into place before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your bed. Then you're done!